morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss 6062 BPSC pre-exam which was held on 12 January 12 फरवरी 2017। मैंने लास्ट क्लास में बताया था कि मैं 60 सेकेंड के बीपीएससी पेपर डिस्कस करूँगी। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द ईरान पाकिस्तान गैस पाइपलाइन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पीस पाइपलाइन। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द इंडियाज रैंक इन द 2016 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्ड इंडेक्स? आंसर है 110। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, द यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज डील विथ ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशंस। फोर्थ, the elected US President Donald Trump was the presidential nominee of the party। तो कौन सी पार्टी थी? रिपब्लिकन पार्टी। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, which country has the largest reserve of oil? Venezuela। 6. Who is the new Secretary General of United Nations? C. Antonio Guterres। 7. Which of the following country has recently joined the Hague Code of Conduct SCOC Global Initiative to Prevent Ballistic Missile Proliferation? Answer would be C. India। The 2016 Nobel Prize in Literature was won by Bobby Dallon। Which of the following is the newest member of Eurozone? A. Lithuania। The head of the state of the United States Kingdom is Queen Elizabeth II। 11th question, India's first and Asia's longest cycle highway has been opened in which state of India? A. Uttar Pradesh। Which state has declared India's first open defecation free state? Sikkim। What is the fiscal deficit target of India for the financial year 2016 to 17? B. 3.5% of GDP। The 2016 joint military exercise Maitri has been conducted between India and which of the following countries? B. Thailand। The nationwide breastfeeding program MA has been launched by which union ministry? B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare। 16. India's first textile university will be set up in which of the following states? C. Gujarat। 17. Which of the following is a bond through which Indian entities can raise money from foreign market is in rupees and not in foreign currency? B. Masala bonds। Which train safety system has recently been launched by the Indian Railway to avoid train accident? B. Trinetra। Which committee has been constituted by the Government of India to boost cashless transaction? D. Neeraj Kumar Gupta Committee। India's first laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory LIGO laboratory will be set up in which state? Maharashtra। In Rio Olympics 2016 which country finished at the top of the table with gold medals? A. United States। The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in Qatar। Which country has won the 2016 Davis Cup tennis tournament? A. Argentina। As per census 2011, what is the rank of Bihar state in terms of population in the country? C. Third। Which country has won the 2016 Kabaddi World Cup? C. India। Which country, which country's women badminton team has won the 2016 Uber Cup tournament? D. China. The book Six Machine, I Don't Like Cricket, I Love It. It is the autobiography of which cricketer? Chris Gayle. Who is the first Indian to win 2 Paralympic gold medals? B. Devendra Jhajaria. What was the theme of the 2016 Rio Olympics? World Peace and Environment. Who has been conferred with the 2015 Jananpith Award? Raghuveer Chaudhary. Which among the following Harappan site terracotta of Palaf was found? B. Banwali. Kalinga's King Kharvel was associated with E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Chinese traveler Sangyun was come to India in 515 AD to 520 AD. Which type of land was called Aprahat without cultivated forest land? Which among the following state Audantipur Education Center was situated? B. Bihar. Diwan-e-Arch department was associated with C. Defense. Who was the founder of Bahmani Kingdom? Alauddin Hassan. Which among the following kings reigned Persian traveler Abu Razak came to India? Devrai II. Devrai II. Jaswant and Dasavan, famous painter, were courtier of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Which among the following year Santhal revolt was occurred? 1855 to 56. Which among the following year Surendra Nath Banerjee was eliminated from India from Indian Civil Service? 1874 AD. Who is known as the father of diarchy? Sir Lionel Curtis. Akhil Bharatiya Kisan Congress was founded in 1936 AD. Which of the following Viceroy period the title of Rai Bahadur and Khan Bahadur were began to confer to Indian? E. Who was the founder of Karnataka dynasty? Nanya Dev. Who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? Bakhtiyar Khilji. The author of Rajan Niti Ratnakara is Chandeshwara. The author of Udvant Prakash is Mauli Kavi. Nalanda Bihar was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji. Who was the last king Karnataka dynasty? Hari Simha. Which of the following activities is performed to Kolgadi coal mining? What is particulate matter? B. Air pollutant. What is the name of mid-latitude grassland in South America? Pampas. The Great Victoria Desert is located at Australia. Which of the following sea has the highest average salinity? Dead Sea. Match the following places with industries and select the correct answer given below. Option are Bengaluru Iron and Steel, Korba Copper, Jamshedpur Aircraft, Malazkhand Aluminium. Answer would be D. At which of the following hills of Eastern Ghats join the Western Ghats? Nilgiri Hills. At which of the following places the copper industry is located? Khetri. What is the Golden Quadrilateral National Highway Project? The Dravidian races are mainly confined at which of the following parts of India? South India. Which of the following iron ores is mined at Balladila hematite? The only state which produces saffron in India is Jammu and Kashmir. At which of the following towns the Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi combines to form river Ganga? Which of the following landforms occupy the northwestern part of Bihar state, Someshwar hilly range? River Tel is tributary of which of the following river? E. Which of the following canal system irrigate areas of Bihar? Triveni Canal. At which of the following places Bharat Wagon and Engineering Co Limited is situated? Mokama. Which of the following national highway connect Chhapra and Gopalganj? See National Highway 85. Which of the following district records highest growth of population during 2001 to 11? Madhepura. Which of the following is a silk textile producing center in Bihar? Bhagalpur. Boat and on account is meant for appropriating funds spending passing of budget. Constitution Day of India is celebrated 26th November. Which officer of Government of India has right to take part in the proceeding of Parliament of India even though he is not a member? Attorney General of India. Now come to 74th questions. Which of the following are listed among the directive principles in Part 4 of the Constitution of India? Answer would be equal pay for equal work and uniform civil code. Choose the fundamental right available to Indian citizens but not to aliens. Answer it would be 1 and 3. Freedom of speech and expression and right of minorities. A Panchayat Samiti at a block level in India is only coordinating and supervisory authority. A seat of MP can be declared vacant if he absent himself from the house for a continuous period of 2 months. The Supreme Court has held that hoisting the national flag atop the private building is a fundamental right of every citizen under Article 19. Match the following. Courts क्या है? 132. Okay. 80th question. Creation of a new state require majority for constitutional amendment or simple. The expression socialist was introduced in the preamble of Indian Constitution by which amendment? 42nd Amendment. President of India exercises his power either directly or through officers subordinate to him. Ease of doing business India Index is prepared and published by World Bank Group. Which one of the following measures is not likely to aid in improving India's balance payment position? Levying of higher duties on export. As per census 2011, which state has the lowest sex ratio? Haryana. The economists who for the first time scientifically determined national income in India? V.K. R. V. Rao. The percentage of decadal growth of a population during 2001 to 11 as per census 2011 is 17.64. Service tax was introduced in India on the recommendation of Raja J. Jallia Committee. First 5-year plan of India was based on Harrod-Domar model. Black revolution is related to the crude oil production. Now come to 91st question. Which Indian state has the largest number of cotton textile mills? B. Maharashtra. Which of the following is not a cash crop? Jowar. Which of the following tax is levied by union and collected and appropriated by state? Stamp duties. Bank rate means official rate of interest charged by central bank. In Bihar, which sector recorded highest growth during the 2005 to 6 to 2014 to 15? Registered manufacturing. Which district in Bihar is poorest according to per capita income criteria? Seohar. Total length of national highway in Bihar is 4595 km. 4595 kilometers. The per capita energy consumption in 97. Total length of national highway in Bihar is C 4595 km. Per capita of energy consumption in the state of Bihar is E. Jivika is an initiative of Bihar government for E. SPUR project in Bihar relates to municipal finance. SPUR. 101. Which was the leader of revolution in Bihar during the revolt of 1857? B. Baba Babu Kunwar Singh. Now come to 102nd. Birsa was captured while asleep on 3rd February 1900. The Muslim, if contented and satisfied, would become the greatest bulwark of British power in India. Who wrote it? W. Hunter. In my belief, Congress is tottering to its fall, and one of my great ambition while in India is to assist it to a peaceful demise. Who wrote it? Lord Curzon. Who drew Mahatma Gandhi's attention toward the exploitation of peasants by the European indigo planters? Rajkumar Shukla. Who was elected the first president of All India Kisan Sabha at Lucknow? Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. The Michael O'Donnell was shot dead on 30th March 1940 in London by Udham Singh. Who was the Prime Minister of England when Montagu-Chelmsford Act was passed in 1919? Lord George. Who left Patna College with just 20 days remaining for his examination during the non-cooperation movement? Jayaprakash Narayan. Who became the champion of socialism and wanted to overthrow of British rule, princely estate, landlordism and capitalism in 1933? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who joined Subhash Chandra Bose to found All India Forward blog and actively associated with the INA movement? Silbhadra Yazi. Who is regarded as the mother of Indian Revolution? Madam Bikaji Rustam Kama. First Indian elected to the British House of Commons was Dadabhai Naoroji, who contested on the ticket of Liberal Party. Swaraj Party was formed following the failure of non-cooperation movement. The Chittagong Armory raid had been planned by Surya Sen. The journal was not associated with the revolutionary activity Young India. A leader of Bihar who left lucrative practice during non-cooperation movement was Rajendra Prasad. The precursor of Indian National Congress was Indian Association. Who organized the Khuda Khidmat Gar in 1929? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The cabinet mission in India came to India. ABC invested 20 lakh rupees in business in the ratio of 7:2:1. The total pay is 18%. A has to pay 30% of tax, and B has to pay 20% tax. What percentage of net profit of A is more than the net profit of B? E. If surgical strike is quoted as 13979313129925. Then metro train is coded as 4529629195. X is a consecutive whole number and first four value of expression x cube plus 3y minus 3 and are 7, 20, 45, 88. Then the fifth value would be 155. The series of number and alphabet A26 as A24F G20B. The next term would be M14E. The dearness allowance of a person with basic salary 700 is increased to 132% from 125%, and tax deduction on both is increased to 22% from 20%. He got salary increased by 24 rupees. Inspect the following figure and find a reason which represent the government employee who live in on house and compulsory graduate. This is the figure and answer would be easy as D. How many times the digit 9 occur in the number from 100 to 999? The answer would be 280. The sign plus represent multiplication, addition, division, differences, equal, and represents greater than. Then which of the following relation is true? 5 into 6 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 3 is greater than 4. If the bottom of a water tank there are two drains A and B, if only A is open, if it takes 30 minutes to empty a full tank. If only B is open, it takes 20 minutes. If for 10 minutes both drains are open, then B is closed. How much time it takes to empty a full tank? 15 minutes. This is the graph, pie chart, sorry. In the following pie chart, various expenditure of an industry are expressed. Presented total expenditure on raw materials 30 lakh. If labor expenditure increased by 5%, how much expenditure on the expenses be reduced to maintain the profit? 6.43%. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? E. Teflon is a polymer of which of the following monomers? Tetrafluoroethylene. Which of the following is responsible for controlling hereditary characters of living cells? DNA. Which of the following vitamin is known as ergocalciferol? Vitamin D2. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Tocopherol, beriberi. Bakelite is formed by the condensation B phenol and formaldehyde. Which of the following is an antibiotic drug? Answer would be chloramphenicol. Here is match list 1 and with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. This is the chart. This is the chart. Answer would be 3124. D. Insulin is protein. LPG as domestic fuel chiefly contain butane. Soap removes grease by emulsification. Which of the following hormones play a role in release of milk from mammary gland? D. Thyroxine. The gas used in manufacture of vanaspati ghee from vanaspati oil is hydrogen. This is the list 1. This is the list 2. Answer would be B. In human body, vitamin A is stored in liver. Which of the following is vitamin A? Vitamins is used in anticoagulant protein. Answer would be vitamin K. Which of the following is present in maximum amount in acid and sulfuric acid? That is H2SO4. Good particle is Higgs boson. Which of the following radioisotope is used in the treatment of blood cancer, leukemia? Cobalt 60. Iodized salt contains potassium iodide. तो ये थे 150 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम 60 एंड 62 बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स एग्ज़ाम। जैसा कि मैंने लास्ट क्लास में भी बताया, अगर आप बीपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको ये जानना होगा कि प्रीवियस ईयर में क्या पूछा गया है और किस टाइप के हमें प्रिपरेशन करना है, किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है, किस सब्जेक्ट से आता है, किस पोर्शन में ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आते हैं, किस पोर्शन से कम क्वेश्चन आते हैं। तो उसके लिए आपको प्रीवियस ईयर के पेपर देखने होंगे, उसको समझना होगा। तो ये आपको आइडिया पता चलेगा कि हम बीपीएससी की तैयारी कैसे करें कि हमारा बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स क्रैक हो जाए। तो इस वजह से मैंने 2 क्लास में इसे, अगर आपने पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए तो इससे पहले भी मैंने एक वीडियो और बनाया जिसमें मैंने 63rd बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए। तो आप लोग उसको भी जाके देख लेंगे तो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि इन दोनों ईयर में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं। तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं बिहार स्टार्ट करूँगी, बीपीएससी के बिहार टॉपिक के बारे में, बिहार का पूरा हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटिकल सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। तो आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इसको लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिएगा। टिल देन, गुड बाय।